Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to format columns in Microsoft Word document. In order to do so, I have my three different columns in this section, so paragraphs in the sections, first paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph. So I want to put them in three separate columns in this section. So how can you do so in Microsoft Word document? So in order to do so, I go to click on View tab in the ribbon and then check the ruler. I have already checked the ruler. So come back to home tab and select this text first, and then click on the hide show button. Okay. So once you click on the hide show button, it shows you where the section break is. After the first paragraph, there is a section break. There's a section break after the second paragraph and third paragraph. So three section breaks, right? So and it will come handy later on. I'll show you how. And so now I go to Layout tab, and there's option called Columns, and you click on this option. You'll see I need three columns for three different paragraphs. Click on it, and you see that there's three column created. However, the problem with this is that as you can see, hide show button here, that means there's a section break here. All of these, some part of the first paragraph come into the second column, but I want first paragraph into the first column, and then you see the second column, some part of it goes to the third column, but I want it to be in the second column. Its section break is here. So how can you do this in Microsoft Word document? So in order to do this, I will put my cursor before the start of the second paragraph, okay, and go to Layout tab, and then go to breaks. I will use the column breaks, and once I hit on the column breaks, then all of the first paragraph goes into the first column. So here's the now section break or column break. Okay, so now I want the third paragraph to be on the third column. So here's the section break. So before the start of the third paragraph, I go to breaks again, and then column. So I will use the column break to move it to the third column. Now all paragraphs are now separately in three separate columns. Okay, so now you can go back and hide this hide or show button, so that you don't have those icons or the column break thing here, right? Okay, so there's more things to do here. So if you go to Layout tab again and column, and towards the bottom you can see an option called more columns. So if you click on it, you see there's a thing called line between. So if you want to separate them by lines, you can check this box and click OK. So it creates lines between these columns. Okay, and you can do more aesthetics later on. Like I'm going to home tab again, and then select the first column, and choose a different color. So this is the color for the first column, and the second column, like I will use this color, and the third column I will use this color. Okay, so for three different columns, I have used three different colors. So this is how you format your columns in Microsoft Word document. I hope this was helpful. If you find my channel and tutorials helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.